Hey there! Today we have an interesting problem to tackle. The problem at hand involves replacing the last two values in the value column of a pooler's data frame with zeros, grouped by the symbol column. We're working with a data frame consisting of symbols and B with corresponding values ranging from 0 to 7. Our goal is to achieve the desired outcome by manipulating the data frame using poolers in Python. Now, let's dive into the solution. The first step involves using the head function along with len to exclude the last two rows from the data frame, followed by appending two zeros to the excluded values. By grouping this operation over the symbol column, we can effectively replace the last two values with zeros in each group. This method provides a straightforward and concise way to achieve the desired result. Continuing with the solution, we can observe the updated data frame after implementing the code snippet. The values in the value column for each symbol group have been appropriately adjusted, with the last two values replaced by zeros. This approach ensures that the transformation is applied accurately and consistently across all groups, meeting the requirements of the problem effectively. Moving on to an alternative solution, we can explore a different approach using the when function along with int_range and len to create a conditional column based on the specified condition. By determining the rows to effect using len, too, we can replace the values accordingly with zeros while grouping by the symbol column. This method offers flexibility in implementing conditional transformations based on specific criteria. Looking at the final output generated by the alternative solution, we can see that the values in the value column have been updated as per the defined condition. By leveraging conditional logic, we can achieve the desired outcome with precision and efficiency, ensuring that the replacements are made accurately within each group. In summary, we explored two distinct approaches to replacing the last two values in the value column of a pooler's data frame with zeros, grouped by the symbol column. Both methods provide effective solutions to the problem at hand, showcasing the versatility and capabilities of poolers in Python data manipulation. I hope you found this solution helpful and insightful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts.